think yoga, that is only asana and pranayama exercises. Exercises and asana. We think that is yoga. But that is not complete yoga. In yoga there are 8 parts. That is called Ashtanga Yoga. Father of yoga is Patanjali Maharshi. Our India is the motherland of yoga. Now, whole world understand the importance of yoga and practicing the yoga.
Madam, good morning.
They know the importance of yoga, uses of yoga, and because of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, the United Nations Organization UNO has declared yoga. The June 21st is the International Yoga Day. The whole world is know the importance of yoga and practicing now. This is the 10th year of International Yoga Day. This is a decade. 10 years. Okay? Now we are going to practice the meditation. Meditation is meant for mind. Okay? Patanjali Maharshi, there are Ashtanga Yoga, Yama, Niyama, Dharana, Asana, Pranayama, Dhyana, Pratyahara, Dhyana, Samadhi. 7th part of the yoga is Dhyana. Okay? In Ashtanga Yoga, 7th part of the yoga is Dhyana. Now we are going to do meditation. Patanjali Maharshi said meditation means Nirvishaya Manaha. Dhyanamu ante empty state of mind. జీరో స్టేట్ ఆఫ్ మైండ్. మనసు శూన్య స్థితిలో ఉండాలి. మనసును శూన్యం చేయాలి. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ద మైండ్?